Hi, everyone. Welcome to Under 10, where we break down the biggest topics impacting independent agents in under 10 minutes. Today, we're talking about why agents choose to work with Coterie, and more specifically, why relationships still matter so much in insurance. I'm Christine, Director of Account Management here at Coterie, and I'm joined by one of my awesome team members, Ashraf, who is an Agency Success Manager. Together, we work closely with independent agents every day to help them grow and succeed. Agents are trusted advisors to small business owners, and at Coterie, our agency success managers play that same role for agents. That parallel is what we really want to unpack today. So thank you for joining us, and let's get into it. So to level set, small businesses make up nearly every business in the United States. They employ tens of millions of people, and for most owners, insurance is one of the least understood but most critical decisions that they make. Studies consistently show that a large percentage of small business owners aren't confident they're properly covered, and that uncertainty is exactly why they rely so heavily on independent agents. And despite all the digital tools that we have available today, the majority of small business owners still prefer working with an agent when buying insurance. So, Ashraf, when you think about that, agents being the support system for small businesses, how do you see that mirrored in what you do day to day as an agency success manager?
Yeah, it's honestly a very similar role. Agents are translating complexity for small business owners, helping them understand the risk and coverage and trade-offs. Our job is to do that same exact thing for agents. We help them understand where Coterie fits, how to place that business confidently, and how to navigate questions before they turn into problems.
That's such a good point because agents aren't just placing policies, they're building trust.
Exactly. And just like small business owners don't want to feel like they're Googling their way through insurance, agents don't want to feel like they're on their own with their carrier. When an agent knows they have someone that they can go to, a real person who understands their book and their goals, it changes how they operate.
And that's really where relationships start to drive growth. So, agents today are being asked to do more with less, more submissions, more service, more advisory work, really being everything to everyone. And at the same time, expectations have changed. Agents expect fast responses, clarity, and follow through from carriers. So, Ashraf, where do you see relationships making the biggest difference for agents, given everything that was just mentioned?
Yeah, it shows up in confidence. When agents feel supported, they submit business faster, they ask better questions, they're more comfortable placing repeat business. It's a difference between hoping something works and knowing that you've got the backup if it doesn't. And honestly, a lot of friction in the insurance comes from uncertainty. So our roles is to reduce that friction so agents can focus on serving their clients.
Which is exactly what agents do for their small businesses every day. So, when an agent partners with Coterie, what should they actually expect when working with an agency success manager?
Yeah, they should expect proactive support. It's not just reacting when something goes wrong, but it's helping them think through opportunities, the appetite, the growth. They should expect transparency, clear answers, honest guidance, and when someone's invested in their success, not just a transaction.
And that's intentional. At Coterie, we believe relationships matter and they're critical to everything that we do because insurance is still a people business, even when technology is involved. Agents are the trusted advisors for small businesses, and at Coterie, our agency success managers are trusted advisors for agents. When support works at every level, everyone wins the agent, the small business owner, and the relationship in between. And that's today's Under 10. If you're an independent agent or work with them, make sure to subscribe for more conversations like this. We'll see you next time.